Hi, y'all. Thanks for hanging out with us at our Tupperware party. My name is Alicia Manning, and I help people with the tools and the solutions they need to make good food fast for their family. Now, first things first, I want you to grab a pen and a paper so that you can make a wish list and add to it while I'm showing you some of our featured products tonight. I'm going to show you a variety of solutions that you're probably going to want for yourself, because we are going to chat about solutions for great food storage, solutions to keep your food fresh, and solutions to help you to ditch the drive-through to get dinner on the table quickly. Now, before we get started, be sure to say hi and tag your host in the comments, because that is going to get you a bonus entry into our party prize drawing. Are you ready to make some good food fast? I am grilling in the microwave today. And you heard me right. I said grilling and microwave in the same sentence. We are grilling salmon in the MicroPro Grill, in the microwave, and it's gonna be so good. All you need for this recipe is 1 or 2 pieces of salmon and your favorite fish marinade. I love a teriyaki or a ginger-based marinade, and then you also can do some additional seasoning with salt and with pepper. Now, first we're going to season the salmon with salt and pepper. So that's what we're gonna do first. Okay, so salt and pepper on one side, flip it over, skin side down, salt and pepper the second side, and then we are going to pour our sauce on top. And we're going to season this and cook it first, skin side down, okay? So we're just gonna brush that up, season a little bit, spread our marinade. And like I said, I'm using a teriyaki based marinade today. And then we are going to place both of our pieces of salmon skin side down in our MicroPro Grill. Okay, skin side down in the MicroPro Grill, and we are going to put the top on in the grill position, and that means that the grill plate is actually touching the food. And then we're going to put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes in the microwave, you're going to flip your salmon over. At this point, if you'd like, you can easily peel your skin off, and then we are going to add some marinade to the other side, and then we're gonna pop it back in the microwave. This is gonna go back in the microwave for another 4 minutes. And remember, you're gonna put the top on with the grill side on the meat. With the MicroPro Grill, you can grill inside year-round regardless of the weather. Silicone on the feet, the bottom, and the sides and the top of the grill are what allow you to put metal in the microwave. We have metal plates on the top and on the bottom of the grill that provide even heating on both sides of your food while maintaining a temperature of 428 degrees. You can see that it has a non-stick interior, and that makes it super easy to clean. There are 2 positions that your MicroPro Grill operates in. In the grill position, you'll see this way, your grill actually touches the food. And this is perfect for steaks, pork chops, hamburgers, fish, and veggies. Now, if you take the top and you turn it 90 degrees, Then you have what we call the casserole position. And in the casserole position, the grill plate does not touch the food. So you can even bake in here in your microwave. So we're talking cookies, brownies, pasta, and potatoes. And you guys know that the microwave uses less energy than major appliances. And so when the temperatures are soaring outside, your microwave won't heat up your house and add to your misery. Let me just tell you, MicroPro Grill to the rescue. Here we go. Dinner is done. Look at our beautiful salmon with teriyaki. Now, with the MicroPro Grill, you can cook your salmon to your likeness, which means you may want to cook it a little bit longer or you may want to cook it a little bit shorter. But yours will come sizzling out of the microwave just like ours did. And let me just tell you that cooking your own meal is so much better and cheaper than paying a restaurant to do it. And then all you have to do is pop any leftovers in any of your Tupperware storage containers for easy heating later. Now, y'all, you can make good food fast at home. You just need the right tools to help you do it. Be sure to add this to your gotta have it list. Better yet, book your own party and get it for half price. Because did you know that we have an entire line of premium products to help you get dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less? I can sure help you make some good food fast for your family. Let's talk about Tupperware's Hamburger Press and Keeper Set. Would you like a cool solution to make and store your own burgers using ground beef, turkey, or chicken? You know that you control the ingredients when you make your own burgers. You can also meal prep at the same time by freezing some for later. The Hamburger Press and Keeper Set is so easy to use. You're only 3 steps away from having great burgers. Step number 1, pre-portion your seasoned ground beef, ground turkey, or ground chicken into the keepers. Step 2, you're gonna take the press and you're gonna press down and you're gonna turn. That's all you have to do. Then you're gonna move this here. You're gonna press down and turn. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the last 2. We're gonna press down and turn. And then here, we're going to press down and turn. So now we're at step 3. We're going to put the keeper seal on one, and then we're gonna stack the keepers on top of each other. And you'll notice that the bottom of the keeper seals the one that is underneath. And here you have it. You have burgers for now, or you can freeze some and have burgers for later. The cool thing about your Hamburger Press and Keeper Set is that you can also pre-portion seasoned pork chops and boneless chicken. And you can even make your own ice cream sandwiches. Just remember, the pieces snap together so you can freeze for now. Just remember, the pieces snap together so you can cook for now and you can freeze for later. Meals made easy by Tupperware. Wouldn't you love not to have to throw out your fruits and vegetables because they've gone bad before you've had a chance to eat them? Did you know that the average family discards 24 pounds of fresh fruits and vegetables every single month? Well, I have a solution for you. You can save money by storing your produce in our FridgeSmart containers. Tupperware's atmosphere-controlled environment system creates the optimal space that fruits and vegetables need in order to stay fresh longer by balancing the flow of oxygen coming in and the carbon dioxide going out. FridgeSmart is very easy to use. Simply find your fruit or vegetable on the chart, and then you're going to match the circle that's in the corner okay, to the circle that is on the slider. Okay, so you're just matching up your circles. Now, fruits and vegetables are stored in 3 different categories depending on the amount of air that they need. Also, if there is an X in the corner, then you are going to want to make sure that you are storing those fruits and vegetables in a cool, dry place and not in your refrigerator. The other great part about our FridgeSmart is that you can store veggies and fruits that are in the same category together in the same container. Our FridgeSmarts are definitely a customer favorite and they are best sellers. And this 4-piece set is a great place for you to start. Our CrystalWave Plus containers have a stain guard coating and they are designed for an on-the-go lifestyle. The seals on these are absolutely commuter friendly. To use them, all you have to do is pop the steam vent open and leave the seal in place in the microwave. That's going to help to prevent spills while you're reheating. CrystalWave Plus are fantastic for storing and reheating leftovers, and you can even prepare entire meals ahead of time and just reheat them later. Just remember, when you're reheating food that has already been cooked, you want to set your microwave at 50 to 70% power in order to get the best tasting food. Now, our CrystalWave Plus are specifically designed so that you can take your make-ahead meal with you. Let me just tell you that CrystalWave is a lunchtime lifesaver and a meal planning superstar. Our customers absolutely love these. Y'all, we cannot talk about Tupperware solutions or making good food fast without talking about bowls. You need a great set of bowls in your kitchen for all your mixing and your prepping needs. And Tupperware has spent over 7 decades perfecting the art of the bowl, and it absolutely shows. These Thatsa Bowls are the workhorse in your kitchen. You're going to use them every single week. Now, each Thatsa Bowl features a built-in thumb handle and an easy-to-remove liquid-tight seal. Liquid tight, y'all. Now, we have them in 3 different sizes. We have 19 cups, we have 32 cups, and we have 42 cups. Thatsa Bowls are definitely a kitchen must-have. You need a good set of bowls in your life, especially ones with a liquid tight seal. Y'all, we cannot talk about making good food fast and Tupperware solutions without mentioning bowls. You need a great set of bowls in your kitchen for all of your mixing and your prepping needs. Tupperware has spent over 7 decades perfecting the art of the bowl, and it absolutely shows. These Thatsa Bowls are the workhorse in your kitchen. You're going to use them every single week. Now, all of our Thatsa Bowls feature a built-in thumb handle and an easy-to-remove liquid-tight seal, okay? We have them in 19 cups, 32 cups, and 42 cups. Thatsa Bowls are definitely a kitchen must-have, and just remember, you need a good set of bowls in your life, and especially ones that have a liquid-tight seal. Question: how would you like to receive a 25% discount on all your personal Tupperware purchases? That's just one of the perks of opening an account with Tupperware. In addition to your consultant discount on your personal purchases, you can also earn a 25% commission on all the Tupperware that you sell to others. You can choose your kit. This deluxe kit is my fave. Then open your account and you can make a little money with Tupperware. Or you can choose your kit. The deluxe kit is my fave. Open your account and work from home, party online, and make big money. The sky is the limit with what you do with your new opportunity because the choice is absolutely yours. Do you want to make a little or do you want to make a lot? You can ask me anything you want about opening an account with Tupperware, and I will be happy to answer your questions. So my next question is your wish list bigger than your budget? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Book your own party and get your Tupperware for free and for half price. Our host of the hour can tell you just how easy it is. Booking your party is also the only way to get your hands on some pretty cool host exclusives. Starting with a booking gift that you earn with your very first party order, next comes your choice from our exclusive thank you gift selections. And then you can also earn either the salad time set or the Tupperwave stack cooker set with a qualifying party. So the best way to maximize your value is to pick up your must-haves and your sales specials tonight, then book your own party and get the rest of your wish list for free or half price. You can hang out with your friends, chat, and maybe even cook a fun recipe. Now, we have cooked some good food and we have seen some great solutions. Are you ready to shop from your wish list? I want you to stay tuned because we have a few more party posts that are coming your way and I don't want you to miss them. And especially be on the lookout for the last party post where I'm going to be sharing the catalog and some of our great sales specials. Now, once you get your selections made, you can place your order using your host shopping link. And be sure to get those orders submitted quickly so that you can be included in our early bird drawing. And I want to thank you so much for coming to our Tupperware party. I hope you enjoyed the solutions that I have shared with you that will help you to make good food fast for your family. Bye, y'all.